Justin Scarinci, Bricklayers, Allied Craftworkers, Local 1, Pennsylvania, Delaware. We train for brick, stone, PCC, marble, tile, terrazzo. We have many different entities in our local. Our JATC training center is enormous, and we like to capture all crafts and promote our industry the best we can. The competition today for us represents a group of young men, women, mastering their craft. It's an honor to be selected to represent these locals. They put in the work, the hard work, effort, and they have the whole local behind them, cheering them on. Today's apprentices at our local, they're dedicated, they show up on time, they know what it takes to hard work, dedication, and effort to be a top journeyman, foreman, superintendent. The sky is the limit. There are future labor leaders here. Effort is everything here at Local 1. If you're watching this and you're not involved in the trade or in this industry, we promote the best of the best here. Hard work and dedication, retirement, pension, healthcare may not be important to these apprentices right now, but as they get older, they'll realize the importance of the solidarity with the union and also all the benefits that go along with it.